Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday. Still Tuesday, May the 9th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 2-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. But you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle number 6409. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. 18. Well. Less than 30, less than 20. All right. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have also 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 ones in a row. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place number 4 here, the 4th O, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Then between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Alright. Well, without comparing again, I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. Quite interesting because it has 10 printed digits. Should be a hard one. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.